Guys, good morning. So, ito, balik video tayo. Ang i-demo natin ngayon is the Parabellum Pre-320 Pro Custom, guys. 4.7 bronze. So, naka-aluminum slide na, guys. And then, lower frame is polymer. May underrail na siya for laser or flashlight attachment. And then, naka-polymer grips. Straight trigger. And then, optic ready na siya. So, for the sights, guys, ayun yung sights niya. So, naka-ambi slide release din. And then, magazine capacity is 28 rounds. Chrono check natin, guys. For the box, guys, ito yung box niya. Okay. Chrono check natin. Medyo malamig. Nasa ano siya? 280 plus. Pero yung usual FPS niya, kasi pangatlong testing ko na to. And ayun, nagtatry ako, guys, nung ano eh. Tinatry namin yung background namin kasi nga medyo mainit yung background natin ng mga previous videos natin na kita yung mga units. Kaya ngayon, nag-test kami. By the way, guys, nag-test kami ng bagong background. By the way, guys, yung chamber niya, guys, yung half adjustment niya ito. So, mas madali na yung pagtutono. So, guys, again, Parabellum P320 Pro Custom, color bronze. So, check nyo na lang, guys, sa G drive natin, ha. Thanks.